Hello Android users, I will tell you how to switch from light mode to dark mode or vice versa, right? Let me tell you the benefits as well. So in light modes, you know what will happen is that it is a better bright environment and there is color accuracy and easier on the eyes for some, not everyone. On the other hand, the benefits of dark mode I'll tell you in the last, but right now just go to the settings area and scroll it down to display, right? Or just search display directly and you will see option of light mode and dark mode on top only. Now you just have to tap on that circle below light and dark text. Whichever you will click, the mode will on, right? So the blue in the circle indicates that that option is opted, right? That is how you do it. If you put on dark, if you tap on dark, then the dark mode will on, and if you put light on, then light will on. And the benefits of dark mode are that it reduces the eye strain and also conserves the battery life of your phone. And lastly, it is quite aesthetic, so you can opt it. See you in the next video. Ta-da!